Our webinar today is entitled Customer Case SAP PLM for Medical Equipment Manufacturers and is jointly sponsored with SAP. We will discuss SAP's PLM solutions to support the medical device industry, as well as hear from two leading medical equipment manufacturers, Welch Allyn and Varian Medical Systems, how each of them leveraged SAP PLM to support their businesses. My name is Alan Mendel, Vice President of LeverX, and I will be our webinar moderator today. Before I turn time over to our presenters, let me introduce you to LeverX. LeverX is an SAP Services Partner, a Business Object Solution Partner, Associate Member of the PLM Alliance, and a Google Enterprise Partner. LeverX assists companies increase business value by leveraging existing investments in SAP. We deliver strategic, functional, and technical services in the areas of SAP Product Lifecycle Management, Portfolio and Project Management, and relative supply chain management solutions. In addition, LeverX provides services for SAP NetWeaver, SAP Workflow Development, SAP BI, as well as mobile applications development and Google Apps integration with SAP. Our webinar is being recorded, and SAP customers attending will receive a follow-up email in a day or two with a link to download presentation materials and a recording of this webinar. We are pleased to introduce our presenters for today's webinar. Our first speaker will be Josh Clark, Vice President, Industry Business Unit, High Tech from SAP Labs. Josh will be followed by Lori Ventresca, Director of Global Product Data Management at Welch Allyn. And our concluding speaker will be Sanashish Sakar, Senior Manager IT from Varian Medical Systems. Our webinar agenda will proceed as outlined. SAP PLM for the medical device industry, presented by Josh Clark, then Electronic Design History Files at Welch Allyn, presented by Lori Ventresca, and our final presentation, How Varian Medical Systems Implemented SAP PLM to Support Global Reach and RoHS Compliance and Engineering Change by Sanashish Sakar. So, Josh, I will now turn the presentation over to you. And please go ahead when you're ready.
Well, I'm certainly happy to be here to help present the SAP PLM portfolio for medical device companies. It's probably worth noting that the high-tech industry business unit at SAP is a solution management organization, and we're responsible to help identify, define, sponsor, and help deliver solutions specific to our industry, which is high-tech. At SAP, we define high-tech as semiconductor companies, EMS companies, software companies, and OEM companies, and perhaps the most demanding of requirements and interesting out of the OEM companies, of course, is the medical device companies. Now, when we take the medical device company into consideration, and you look at the processes that a medical device company is involved in, including supply chain operations, engineering and development, customer service, etc., it's important that they run these processes very effectively and efficiently. And in order to do that, they are faced with many challenges and some of these challenges are very unique to this industry. For example, having to meet or be compliant to the regulatory requirements is a challenge that continues for this industry. And this is something that shouldn't be taken into consideration as something you do just okay. In fact, if you do it well, then you can help accelerate new product introductions and changes to products that help your company's bottom line. Another big factor in this industry is the rapid change of technology innovation, and this exacerbates the challenge of product compliance. Because when you have new products being introduced more frequently, you have to take all of those changes into consideration. This change also means that companies are trying to take advantage of changes in material, changes in supply, and changes in manufacturing for cost benefits. Their customers in this industry continue to be more demanding with social networking and other internet technologies, and expect more information about their products and services that they get from these med device companies. There are many other challenges associated with med device companies, but it's not all doom and gloom. We believe that companies that are able to take advantage of this. Sorry, we're having PowerPoint difficulties there. Companies that are able to take advantage of this can capitalize on some growth opportunities. Because after all, if you are able to take advantage of the product innovations, the technology innovations in a more effective and efficient manner, you can introduce new products that are needed in the existing market, but also introduce those products to the emerging market as well.